Yes, my new gloves have arrived. Check these out. These winter leather motorcycle gloves are extremely warm and includes knuckle protection while you can still use your touchscreen on your phone and motorcycle dash. Babies are windproof, and you can feel it the moment you put them on. They are made with a 3M insulation and are waterproof. These gloves have all-around protection and are reinforced for longevity and flexibility. These gloves keep your hands protected during every ride. I absolutely love them.